Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since the last uploaded and a lot of things have happened. I am now, believe it or not, funded with my funded futures. I'm funded with 350Ks and I'm currently working towards getting my first payout. And today we are going over this winning day, which was across all three accounts. It was a 1.7K winning day. So yeah, let's get right into it. So starting off, I like to look at the 4 hour to 4 directions to see like the higher time frame order flow, where we are displacing towards. So as we can see here, we have a bearish candle and then another bearish candle closing underneath the previous bearish candles. And also when we look at hourly, we are kind of strong on the downside. So for me, it's pretty clear that I want to look for a short today since I want to trade with the trend and I don't want to just predict the reversal. All right. So for targets, I marked out these hourly lows right here. But as you can see, my take profit was this low right here, which ended up being an hourly low that we created. But I'm gonna get more into that right now. So looking here at the 50-minute time frame, I marked out this fair value gap right here, since this was the most displacing fair value gap of this leg down right here. So what I wanted to see into open here is a retrace into this gap and then clear displacement out of this gap, showing that we are ready to take out these lows right here. And as you guys can see, what happened here, and when we opened, we ended up trading up to this gap, and then when we entered the gap, we started to displace lower. All right, but for me, these bearish candles right here wasn't enough to enter, because we had this gap right here and that was kind of holding. As you guys can see on the next candle right here, we got a like doji candle right there. So I was a bit skeptical at first. I wanted to see some more confirmation, and as you guys can see here, at the 3 o'clock open, we retraced back into the gap. It was, yeah, on this candle right here. We retraced pretty heavily into the gap, and then we displaced with a clear candle right here. So when this closed, I was ready to enter. I limit ordered right here. And as you guys can see, I got entered, and then in one candle, boom, I moved my stop loss to break even once we passed there, and then boom, my take profit got hit. And I know I had these targets, which I could have targeted as well, which would have given me a much better risk to reward. But like, I didn't need a 4.3 risk to reward, because you never know if you were about to reversal here or anything. So I just wanted a small piece of the pie and secure my profit for a 1.48 risk to reward, which is more than enough for me. And as you guys probably know, if you're trading with my funded futures on a live funded account, there is a 40% consistency rule. So you don't really want to make huge amounts of money in a day, because then you have to grow the account really, really big. So yeah, that secured was it $550 per account, and we are currently on these three accounts, as you guys can see here, at 51,744, and it's on all three accounts, and these are live accounts. So I'm aiming to have I have all my 5 winning days, but I want to build the account to above $52,000, just to have a small buffer. So one more winning day, which probably will be around $500 if I win the next trade, but we never know that. Then I will request my first ever payout, which will be 3.6K. Yeah, but I'm just gonna stay locked, focusing on the chart work, focus on taking good trades, and the money will come as a by effect. So I'm not focused on the money here. I'm focused on keep taking good trades like this when it's obvious where we want to go, keep risking the same amount. And yeah, that was it for this video. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna watch this, but yeah, this was the trade for the day. I'm probably gonna keep uploading more recaps now, because they are pretty fun to do, and they also help me a lot to go over the trade, to look at it again and explain my thought process. It really helps me to, yeah, keep taking good setups and keep being locked in. All right, see you guys in the next video.